Yo, what's good, YouTubers? It's your boy LB. In this video, I'm gonna show you the multiple ways how you can import your video clip in Premiere Pro. We're gonna see at least 5 ways which you can use for import your video clip in Premiere Pro. So now, let's jump on. Before, please don't forget to subscribe and drop your comment down below, like, share in the comment, and then So now, let's jump on in Premiere Pro. For the first way, click here on File, then click here on Import, then just browse your footage and then import your footage. Guys, if you see well, here there is some shortcut. Also, you can use Ctrl+E for import, and then just browse your videos and then import your videos. Guys, this is the first way. So now let's look the second one. So now the second one, come here on this project panel and then double click on it. Okay, as you see here, there is another window opened, then browse your file, then just open it. This is the second way. So let's see the next one. The next one, here we have window menu. Just you click here on window menu and then go here on media browser. So as you see here, I have some disk here on my software. So now just you can browse where your clip is, or just where your clip have been saved. Yeah, this is my clip, and then after this, right click on it, then press here on import. Okay, this is the third way you can import your footage in a Premiere Pro. Let's see the fourth one. So guys, the fourth one, just come here again on this project panel, then right click on it. So for the previous way, you will see is double click. Okay, so now for this way, we're gonna see is right click on it and then click here on import. Okay, just after this, and then browse your video clip. Okay, so now let's see the last one. Guys, for the last one, just let me go to search my clip. Okay, for example, yeah, this is my clip here. So this way you can just drag this clip and then drop it here on this software. Then when I drop it, already see is already imported my file. Okay, yes, those are 5 ways you can use for import a video clip in Premiere Pro. But there is some file format which Premiere Pro does not support. For example, MKV and WEBM. If your video has this file format I said, first you have to convert this video before you import in Premiere Pro. So thanks for watching. If you like my video, leave your thumbs up and then you drop your comment down below. Let me know what you think. Then see you in next video. This is a Premiere Pro basic tutorial, guys. Peace.